Hi, this is Dave. I'm really excited to introduce to you our new feature, DataDrop. DataDrop makes moving, storing and securely sharing even really large files easy and familiar. You can use any file types you like and store as much data as you like, all within your 3D Usenet account. No more need to send USB thumb drives and hard drives to get your data from A to B. Your staff can upload any files they need through any modern browser. It'll even work on corporate networks that have restrictions on other file sharing platforms. DataDrop has been designed to allow you to organize your data your way and share it easily with others when you need to. It's like having your own file manager online. So let's have a look at how it works. Project and Pro users will now see a new tab on the left menu in the dashboard for DataDrop. Each account has its own space on our server, so only your project managers can see your data. The interface has a familiar file manager layout showing folder structure on the left and a more detailed view in the center. There's also a preview window to see image previews and a search results area at the bottom. The first thing we'll do is create a new folder. This is a breeze. You can just right-click on the bucket or folder that you want to create it in and select New Folder. Give it a name and you're done. You can also create unlimited subfolders, giving you ultimate flexibility to organize your data how you want. Uploading data is simple too. Just navigate to a folder or right-click on one and select the Upload Files option. This can also be found under the Actions menu and on the right-hand side of the DataDrop window. Simply browse to your file and hit Upload. If you want to upload lots of files within a folder, then make sure you're using Chrome browser and simply drop the folder into the upload area. This will upload all the files and keep any folder structure you have too. Simple. When you select an image in the detail area, you can get a preview. It works with all common image formats and is a great way to find what you need. Now we all know that speed is key when you're trying to locate files, and we have two great ways to search your folders. Firstly, there is the filter. This allows you to filter down the list of files visible in the detail area by entering your search criteria. It does this dynamically, so no need to hang around waiting. Secondly, we have the very powerful search feature that looks through the currently selected folder and shows the results in the search area. You can then select one and open the containing folder or conduct other actions on it straight away, such as cut, copy, rename, or delete. You can also multi-select items to make things even quicker. All your files and folders can be downloaded too. Just right-click on the item and select Download. With multiple files, a .zip is created to streamline the process further. If you select the Share option on a file, then it lets you specify an expiry time for a link and then creates an email that you can send to whomever you need. Once they click on the link, the file will be downloaded. Now, if you're using 3D Usenet, you're going to have lots of point cloud and model data that you want to view. You can easily add it to your projects or libraries by simply right-clicking and choosing to convert the file. Select the required settings and hit Save to start the process. A copy of the data is converted and will be added to the project or library you chose. As easy as that. You can check the conversion status in the usual way under the Projects tab. DataDrop is really a great addition to 3D Usenet, and so now you can keep a copy of all your project data in your 3D Usenet account and have things easily organized. We think you'll love using this new feature, and we know it will streamline your workflows from site to office and back again. And we look forward to hearing more of your user stories about projects you're using it on. If you'd like to find out more about 3D Usenet, please visit our website or YouTube channel. Thanks.